Hi, welcome to another Garrick Solutions video. Today we're going to talk about a topic that was raised by one of our followers, whether ChatGPT is going to replace Google. I think it's a great question. It's very encouraging to see where technology is going, to try to help us become more efficient, to try to help us become more creative and kind of open our thoughts to other things that we haven't thought about. I think it's definitely a great tool that can provide us insight or just help us in the right path for growth and development. And with that said, I think that you need to, one thing that's really important is fact checking and validating the information. Whether you use ChatGPT or another platform, you should still be skeptical and not take this as entirely face value and the complete version of the truth, because who's to say that is the entire truth? I think you need to be think of this in a very holistic manner and kind of question the outcome. Or one thing that I personally like to do, or we tell our clients, is that always ask the negative also. Ask for the opposite side of the coin to see what feedback you get. So that way you have a more rounded perspective on the result. I think definitely it's going to change the way we think or interact in our day-to-day, just obviously because this is something that's completely new and it's revolutionized kind of just the way we search for information in general, which has changed dramatically versus the current way, which is searching through web browsers such as Google, Safari, or others. With that said, I still believe that there's a lot of value in the web and the internet in searches, because you can still browse through different pages and get different points of view from people. I think one thing that's very exciting as the internet and Google has brought to the world is that we've been closer to each other. So for example, I can find articles and information from a company in the EU, whether it's Germany, whether it's the UK, or whether it's South Africa, or whether it's Asia, Malaysia, China, Japan. I think this gives us a more rounded point of view of how things could operate, or just different perspectives. And I think that's very, very exciting. I think diversity is what makes us better. It's changing that one-mindedness and just single point of view into a more broader, more rounded approach. And I think that there's a version of the truth in everything. So I think just use the two different tools to help you make better business decisions and to better grow and to better learn. So I think both have their place. Definitely yet to be seen what ChatGPT evolves to from a business point of view. I know definitely it's changing from in our everyday lives for people themselves in their personal use. So just very exciting, but we'll see what's yet to come. Technology sometimes might not be, or there might be something that can trigger, a negative feedback with regards to that. We've all seen the ups and downs of crypto and, just blockchain and just, great tool, has great potential, but, we should always be skeptical and kind of have our own thoughts with everything. So I definitely feel that Google's here, or at least the web and what we know about it, about searching and having variety and points of view. I think it's extremely important because through feedback and different insights is what helps us, again, be able to make better business decisions or have a more rounded approach when, going about of thinking through things. Hope this has been helpful and have a wonderful day. Take care.